Good morning, students. Must be missing Monica ma'am. Yes? Today I am not here because I am in school. I have some other work. I have prepared a video for you. As we have decided, today we will revise chapter 6. Okay? So before giving you questions to do, I thought I should revise you each and everything. Okay? Let's do the revision. We will do chapter 6 revision. Okay, first is numeric coefficient. First we will do in this numeric coefficient. In case we are having an expression 3x square y and I told you to write the numeric coefficient. The numeric coefficient is 3. If I am having 5 minus 5y plus 2y square plus 6, then how many terms we are having? We are having 3 terms. Then we will write numeric coefficient of all. Then we are having minus 5. We have to write sign also. We will write the digits along with sign. Minus 5, 2 and 6. These are the numeric coefficients. Okay. If I am having 5x square y, then I am having 5. Okay. In case I am having the question, I told you to write coefficient of x square. Just a revision, I already have told you. Coefficient of x square. And I gave you the term minus 4x square y. You have to write coefficient of x square. So we will not write x square and we will write rest of the number. Minus 4y. If we are having 3x square y square z and we have to write coefficient of x square, then we will write 3y square z. Means whatever coefficient, if they are asking a coefficient in particular way, then we will leave that and we will write all the others. In case I am having 3y square 4x square plus 6 and we have to write the coefficient of x square. So first step we will identify which term is having x square. So this term is having x square and from this we will remove the x square. So what is left? Our answer is 4. Okay, when we are having one term, it's very easy. We will remove that x square, we will write rest of the things. But if we are having 2 or 3 terms, then first step we will identify which term is having x square. Identified, then from that we will remove x square and we will write the rest. Next we are having like terms and unlike terms. If I will give you 3x and 5x. Like term or unlike terms. Three x and 5x. Yes, these are like terms because both are having x. If I am having 4ab, 5ba, it is AB, it is AB. Whether they are in different order, but both are same. A ki power 1, B ki power 1. Here again A ki power 1, B ki power 1. So we are having like terms. But if I am having 5xy and 6yz, it is having xy, it is having yz. So these are unlike terms. These are unlike terms. If we are having 3x and 4x square, x and x both are there, but it is x ki power 1, it is x ki power 2. So still they are unlike terms. Because we have to see the alphabets, means variables as well as powers. We have to see both. Okay. Next we are having number of terms. If a expression is having one term, then this is monomial. When it is having two terms like 3x, it is monomial. 3x plus 2, binomial. 3x plus 2y plus 6, this is trinomial because it is having three terms. If I am having 4x square plus 5x plus 6y minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, more than 3 terms, then it is polynomial. Okay? When we are having one term, monomial. When we are having two terms, binomial. 3 terms, trinomial. 4, more than 3, polynomial. And terms are separated by a plus or minus sign. They are separated by a plus or minus sign. And then we are having addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction can be carried when they are like terms. Addition and subtraction of expression can be carried only in like terms. Like addition. 3x plus 5x. Both are like terms, so we can have 8x. If I am having 3x square plus 5 plus 2x. Now it is x square, it is constant, it is x. All three terms are different. So when we will add, we have to write the same. We can't add them because all three terms are different. But if I am having 3x square plus 5 plus 2x square plus 6. So 3x square will be added to 2x. We can use the column method. 2x square plus 6. We will add them. 6 plus 5, 11. Plus 2 plus 3, 5x square. In addition, we can use horizontal method as well as column method. After this, we are having subtraction. Subtraction also we have done. We have done many questions of subtraction. If I will write subtract 5x square minus 3x from 6x square plus 2x. So expression which is after from we will write first. 6x square plus 2x. After that 5x square minus 3x. We have to write like terms in a column. As this is subtraction, we will change the sign of the number. Minus 3 has changed to plus, plus 5 has changed to minus. We will do it 3 plus 2, 5x, 6 minus 5, x square. So our answer is x square plus 5x. We have to take the sign of the bigger number. Here 6 is bigger, so we have written plus x. And when there is no digit before x square, it means it is 1x square. Okay? Subtract 5x square. If I will write same question, just imagine if I will write find the difference of and this. Find the difference of 5x square minus 3x and this. Now we are not using the word from. So we will write 5x square minus 3x, 6x square plus 2x. Then we won't change the order of the terms. Again we will change the sign because this is subtraction. Minus 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 5x plus 5 minus 6 minus x square. Then this is our answer. So in subtraction question especially, you have to read the statement very carefully. Now after revising all, whatever we have done in this chapter, I have given a worksheet. You can start doing that, and whatever questions you could have done, do it in class. Rest of the worksheet I will upload in homework. You can complete the work from there. You can complete all the question in a very neat manner, so that when we'll meet day after, we'll meet tomorrow. We will discuss all the answers. Okay? No one will shout in the class, ma'am, I don't know, ma'am, I have done. You only have to complete the question. If you know it, then it's okay. If you don't know it, then it's okay. You just have to complete the work and keep it with you. And we will discuss tomorrow in the class whether your answers are right or wrong. And those who have done all right will get 3 stars from my side. Okay? So do neatly and carefully. All the best.